up your accent pillows can be inexpensive, and if you're a little creative, a lot of fun too. I have DIY expert Tracy with me, showing us a really cute way to do your pillow. So thanks for being with me.
Thank you for having me.
This looks fun already. What are we doing?
Okay, so I'm excited. So today we're gonna do a little bit of tie dyeing.
Ooh.
What I love about this technique is that the materials we're using today are just everyday household items.
Really? So it's not like big and expensive?
No, so you don't have to make a shopping list and go to the store and spend on items that you may or may not reuse again.
You've got me sold. What do you need?
Right? Okay, so all we need is anything cotton-based material. So here we have a pillowcase.
So you could do this on like t-shirts, blankets, anything like that,
A t-shirt,
right?
yeah, absolutely. Linens, socks, anything white that's cotton-based.
Beautiful.
Okay.
What do you need after that?
Okay, so it should be pre-washed,
Okay.
ready to go. Second, we need some Sharpie markers. So
Like actual Sharpies.
actual Sharpies.
Ooh, I like it.
In a variety of colors. So here we have just that.
So like the more vibrant, the better type of
Absolutely.
thing, right?
With this technique, tie dyeing, it's your opportunity to be creative, bright, bold. There's no
in the box with it,
absolutely
right?
no. You don't need to color coordinate. Nothing. It's fabulous. And last, we need rubbing alcohol.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's important. It must be 90% proof or higher.
Okay, so it can't be like a 70 proof or anything like that.
No. So it's important because the effect with the chemical in the ink, it breaks down the ink and causes it to blend and bleed, and that's when you get the tie-dye effect.
I like it. Okay,
Yeah.
so I take it the darker you do, the better
Absolutely,
it would be, right?
the brighter it's gonna be.
I'm gonna like, ooh, I've got a little bit of green in this one. So literally, like, there's just, you can do whatever you want, right?
Absolutely.
How well will it hold, like if you drew a design on, how well will it hold it?
Well, keep in mind again that the effect with the rubbing alcohol on the dye, it is gonna bleed.
It's gonna bleed,
It's
okay.
gonna bleed, so it won't necessarily hold that shape, but the more you saturate the fabric, the more it's gonna bleed. So if you want something to hold its shape more, just apply a little less.
So you could totally do this with your kids, right? Like
Absolutely.
This would be a fun.
Everyday household item. So it's a rainy day, you're at home with the kids, and you're looking for something to do. Kids are bored.
Because you
have
know,
markers.
every kid gets bored every rainy day, right?
Yep.
Okay, so now we get to spray it.
Yes, so we're going to completely saturate the area. So
you like not just a light spritz.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna try this.
just completely saturate the area. Now we're spraying with it laying flat. However, if you wanted,
Will this bleed onto whatever's underneath it?
yes, it will. So as you can see here, we have the tray to prevent the spread.
Don't do this on your quartz countertop, people, without something underneath it.
Yeah.
Ooh, that alcohol smell
It's pretty strong. So as you can see, it's already starting to bleed.
Oh, I
And the
see
longer
that.
it sits, it's going to take effect.
So do you want it to dry completely?
You do. So once you completely saturate the area,
Okay.
you're going to let it dry completely.
Do you have to hang it? Do you leave it flat? What do you do?
If you want to hang it, that's fine. You might get some of that dripping effect, and
Ooh.
that's again, there's no specific technique.
Total creativity to it.
Absolutely.
Then. Oh, I like
So you're going to let it air dry.
Okay.
And then to set it, you're going to put it in the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Wash it first?
Yep, you can absolutely wash it first.
Okay.
Yep. But the setting part, you definitely want to put in the dryer, or you can use the iron.
And I take it, don't throw it in the dryer while it's still wet with alcohol.
No,
right?
alcohol and heat, not a good
Not
idea.
the greatest
Safety,
idea.
yeah. No.
Awesome. Well, guys, for more ideas like this, you can visit marcandmandy.com. That's all the time we have for today. We'll see you next time on the Marc and Mandy Show.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.